Welcome to our educational video comparing ISM Manufacturing PMI and Flash Manufacturing PMI. ISM Manufacturing PMI, or the Institute for Supply Management Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, is a monthly survey conducted among purchasing managers in the manufacturing sector. On the other hand, Flash Manufacturing PMI is a preliminary or flash estimate of the Purchasing Managers Index released before the final PMI figures. While both ISM Manufacturing PMI and Flash Manufacturing PMI provide insights into the health of the manufacturing sector, there are some key differences. ISM Manufacturing PMI is released on the first business day of each month, providing a comprehensive view of manufacturing activity for the previous month. On the other hand, Flash Manufacturing PMI is released a week before the final PMI figures, offering an early indication of manufacturing trends for the current month. Flash Manufacturing PMI can impact currency markets and other financial markets significantly. As it provides an early estimate of manufacturing activity, it gives investors and traders insights into the current economic conditions. Positive surprises in Flash Manufacturing. PMI figures can lead to increased confidence in the economy, potentially boosting investor sentiment and driving stock markets higher. Additionally, Flash Manufacturing PMI figures can influence policymakers' decisions, such as interest rate adjustments, as they provide timely information on economic performance. In summary, while both ISM Manufacturing PMI and Flash Manufacturing PMI are important indicators for assessing the health of the manufacturing sector, Flash Manufacturing PMI offers an early estimate that can impact investor sentiment and financial markets.